With you, it's called uprightness. Everybody has three carries on with a public life, a confidential life, and a daily existence. Stressing is an exercise in futility. Great and awful things occur in life. You simply need to continue to live and not pressure over what you have no control over. Not having the option to excuse somebody causes disdain, which prompts harshness, making an individual generally feel discouraged and exhausted. Never sob for the individual who harms you. Simply grin and say, "Thank you for giving me an opportunity to find somebody better than you." Overthinking makes the human psyche make negative situations and additionally replay excruciating recollections. Each individual you find in dreams has come across once. In actuality, our cerebrum can't make faces. You show up more alluring to the next individual when you make them grin or giggle. The manner in which we converse with our youngsters will turn into their internal voice. Mentally harmed individuals tend to be the most grounded in light of the fact that they know they can endure anything. Torment reinforces the psyche. Rain research expresses perhaps of the hardest undertaking for the human psyche is gathering yourself that you never again care eating the newly prepared chocolate chip treat. While discouraged can immediately work on your temperament and battle the physical impacts of misery. It might seem like contending with your accomplice flags the finish of a relationship. However, it could really help couples bond better to know where your heart is. Look where your brain goes when it meanders. For a man's psychological well-being, a 5-minute discussion with a lovely young lady is more useful than a 2 hours of yoga. Research recommends that apathy is simply a typical piece of being a teen and doesn't reflect terrible way of behaving at the point when somebody shows up in your fantasies. It implies that that individual is missing you, as indicated by brain research. 2 successful ways of battling misery are working out. Furthermore, investing energy with pets. Brain science says pardoning isn't neglecting, it's relinquishing the herd. At the point when individuals say you've changed, there's a 95% possibility that you recently halted acting how they would have preferred. You to never get excessively connected to anybody, except if they likewise feel something similar towards you, since uneven assumptions can intellectually annihilate you. Brain research says never abandon something you truly care about. It's hard to stand by, yet it's more hard to lament.